And You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
duffel bag has some workout bands, clothes, hiking shoes. I'm just trying to get as much stuff as possible, and I swear I did not have that much stuff, but I'm already filling up a bunch of tubs, boxes, suitcases. There's tons more filled up here. I'm starting to get tired. Okay. So yeah, this is basically what I'm going to be doing mostly all this weekend. I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog here, and then I'll do a part 2. I'll do part 2 on the actual moving day, because pretty much I'm just packing up everything, and on actual moving day, which I'm very, very stressed out for, I still have to figure out, first of all, who's coming to help me, what type of U-Haul I need to get. So yeah, I have a lot to do. I also need to, so I switched my electric, I forwarded my mail, and I still need to do my renter's insurance, get internet, and then figure out the whole U-Haul moving situation. Also, I had a couple of people who said they could come help me move. 2 of them are actually going to be out of town. So yeah, lots of things to get in order, but I think I'm just gonna finish packing. I sold whatever I needed to sell. I donated all the clothes that I don't want anymore. So yeah, we will see on the actual moving day. Hopefully things go smooth, but thank you guys for watching. Oh, I'm also gonna do a moving out empty apartment tour. So when I first moved in, I did my empty apartment tour, and I always do an empty apartment tour, but I actually have never done a like empty moving out tour, and kind of just gonna like show you guys what it looks like after and talk about what my experience was living here. So stay tuned for that one, and in the meantime, follow me on TikTok. I post on TikTok multiple times a day, also Instagram Reels, and I will catch you guys on moving day. Bye.